Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Time to win. Golden words said by Dale Carnegie, which I liked. Dr. Ravi Tandon. Your victory is waiting here. Just step in. He was big enough and wise enough to realize that it was true, to sense that he was headed for failure and social disaster. So he made a right about face. He began immediately to change his insolent, opinionated way. I made it a rule, said Franklin, to forbear all direct contradiction to the sentiment of others and all positive assertion of my own. I even forbade myself the use of every word or expression in the language that imported a fixed opinion, such as certainly, undoubtedly, etc. And I adopted instead of them. I conceive, I apprehend, or I imagine a thing to be so or so, or it so appears to me at present. When another asserted something that I thought an error, I denied myself the pleasure of contradicting him abruptly and of showing immediately some absurdity in the proposition, and in answering I began my observing that in certain cases or circumstances his opinion would be right, but in the present case there appeared or seemed to be some difference. I soon found the advantage of this change in my manner. The conversations I engaged in went or more pleasantly. The modest way in which I proposed my opinions procured them a readier reception and less contradiction. I had less mortification when I was found to be in the wrong, and I more easily prevailed with others to give up their mistakes and join with me when I happen to be in the right. And this mode, which I at first put with some violence to natural inclination, became at length so easy and so habitual to me that perhaps for these 50 years past ago, no one has ever heard a dogmatical expression escape me. And to this habit, after my character of integrity, I think it principally owing that I had earned so much weight with my fellow citizens when I propose new institutions or alterations in the old, and so much influence in public councils when I became a member, for I was but a bad speaker, never eloquent, subject to much hesitation in my choice of words, hardly correct in language, and yet I generally carried my points. The magical sentence you should spell daily in life to achieve success. I will do it. Only I can do it. Please subscribe our channel and click on the link given in this description box to listen this full chapter voice in a single clip.